Hey guys, it's been a while, but I'm back with a pasta salad review. You guys wanted that, right? Anyway, so this was $4 from Woolworths, and just gonna give you a good look at all the specs and important bits. It's a 3 health star rating. As you can see, on the inside there's some cool details.
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
Okay, just kidding. What I actually have today is a t-shirt and a pin that I got from Cool Shirts. I ordered this probably about a month ago. They were having trouble with their shipping, so it took a while to get here, but it just arrived the other day, so now I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. So on the back of the bag it reads, "Warning, this package contains very cool shirts. Opening in front of others may cause extreme jealousy and or hatred. Be sure if you ever buy from Cool Shirts that you don't open in front of other people, just to avoid that." So yeah, we'll get into it now. Okay, so once I've unraveled it just a little bit, there is some writing in there from another language that I'm not going to bother translating. And down here it says tag Cool Shirts so we can look at you. So I reckon I'll probably do that. So yeah, it's pretty much open. This is the package. It's nothing spectacular, but it's still cool. So first off, what I see is that we have a little thank you note, which is really nice. I didn't expect this. It reads on the back, "Welcome to the team. You just became a part of the most powerful army in the entire world. What now?" And then it looks like there's some instructions there for me to get my shirt seen. Yep. And I can join the exclusive Facebook group. And I can buy more shirts with a cool little code. This is really nice, so we'll see what else we have in there. So next up, we have a little sorry letter, which is nice because this order had been delayed, as you can see. They've sent this little code here that I'm going to blur out so no one else can use. If you didn't already realize, this is a Maxmoefoes merch. This is pretty much what is going to be on the t-shirt, but you'll see that in a minute. And yeah, so it's just a little card, says that they're sorry, which I appreciate. And yeah, we'll get into the next item. So next up we have this little cardboard envelope that hasn't been closed, but that's fine. And inside we have another pretty much identical to the other one, but without the code. It's pretty much just the same thing, but it has a signature down here from the man himself. I'm not entirely sure if this is his actual signature, as if he's actually signed this one, or if it's just a print. It does look like it could possibly be hand signed, but I'm not entirely sure. If anybody knows, then I would appreciate it if you could tell me in the comments. Otherwise, either way, it's really cool considering I'm a big fan of him, so it's nice to have some form of signed merchandise from him. So we'll move on to the next item. Okay, next up we have the Big Nut pin, which came with the t-shirt, which is really cool. It's actually a nice little high quality one. It's quite cute, looks good, and I'll probably put it on something. I'm not entirely sure what, but yeah, so here's a good look at it. Now with extra nut. So lastly we have the main event in here, and I'll whip it out. We have the t-shirt, and I'm just going to unwrap it and we'll have a good, nice look at it. So here we have the t-shirt, and I'll quickly just unravel it so we can see the whole thing. On the front we have a little version of the logo that you would have seen on the pin, and on the back we have the bigger design, the bigger now with extra nut one that you would have seen on the little cards. So on the back we have an inflated version of what is on the cards that I received. As you can see, it's pretty much identical. On the back it also reads at the bottom, "All-powerful ancient deity condensed into a nut for your convenience," which is really really epic. At the top, as you can see, it reads "Now with extra nut." There is some writing on there that I can't translate and also can't be bothered translating. Down here, down at the bottom right, it says "As seen on Maxmoefoes." Yeah, this is actually, this whole t-shirt is a reference to one of his Japan vlogs, one of his recent ones I do believe. The top right up there, it says collector edition, which is cool, and down the bottom it says only 10,000 yen, which which I'm not entirely sure what that is to AUD, but I'm sure it's like a cool amount.